Finding your Clickbank tracking ID is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First and foremost, log into your Clickbank account. Find your account nickname. On your main dashboard, you will see the account nickname that you want to utilize. This nickname will be associated with your affiliate account. Choose appropriate offers. You can then pick the appropriate offers to promote from the Clickbank marketplace. Your Clickbank nickname will be automatically associated with these offers. Adding a tracking ID. Here's where you can add a tracking ID. If you're wondering why you might want to use a tracking ID, it's particularly useful when you're promoting the same offer in multiple places. It helps you track where your conversions are coming from. For example, if you're promoting a product on both YouTube and a Facebook group, you'd want to create separate tracking IDs, one for YouTube and another for Facebook. These tracking IDs can be named accordingly, such as YouTube or FB. Let's walk through the steps to create a tracking ID. Click on the offer you want to promote. Click on the Promote button. You'll see your Clickbank nickname in the URL. Scroll down to the section where you can add a tracking ID. Enter your desired tracking ID. Click on Create Hoplink. Now, you'll have your encrypted hoplink. Copy this hoplink to use in your promotions. To ensure you've associated the correct tracking ID, open the copied hoplink in a new tab. Scroll down to find the Add to Cart button. Click on it. When you scroll down further, you'll see your encrypted nickname, which is now encrypted for security reasons, and your tracking ID. This confirms that the tracking ID is correctly associated with your affiliate link. I recommend testing your affiliate link by opening it in a new tab and checking that everything works as expected. This verification step ensures that your tracking ID is correctly set up and functioning. That's how you find, create, and use tracking IDs in Clickbank.